Good morning students. Welcome to my new class. Now today we will discuss about some basic point about chapter. Okay. My dear student, before starting the basic point, just I want to ask one question. How we will count of any object? As you know very well, for counting of any object, we will apply 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So what is the meaning of 1, 2, 3, 4? This type of number is called natural number. What is the meaning of natural number? Counting numbers are called the natural number. Counting numbers are called the natural number. Okay. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The meaning is this type of number we will apply for counting of any object. Counting of any object we will apply 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this type of number is called counting number and counting numbers is called the natural number. Okay. And in this example, what is the smallest natural number? You know very well, 1 is the smallest natural number. Okay. And what is the biggest natural number? How can you find out the biggest natural number? As you know very well, we cannot find out the biggest natural number. So for biggest natural number, we will apply one symbol. That symbol is called infinite. That symbol is called infinite. The meaning is biggest natural number is undefined. Undefined or infinite, both are same. Undefined and infinite. For we will apply this symbol. This symbol is called infinite or undefined. Okay. So this is the definition of natural number. Now we will discuss about whole number. What is the meaning of whole number? As you know very well, this is the example of natural number. Okay. And as you are looking before 1 there is no number. Before 1 there is no number. If we will apply one number before 1, if we will apply one number before 1, that is 0. So this number will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this type of number is called whole number. What is the definition of whole number? Including 0 in the natural number is called the whole number. Including 0 in the natural number is called the whole number. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. According to example, which is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number is 0. And which is the biggest whole number? We cannot find out the biggest whole number. So biggest whole number is undefined or infinite. Biggest whole number is undefined or infinite. For undefined or infinite, we will apply this symbol. This symbol is called infinite or undefined. So which is the biggest whole number? We cannot find out the biggest whole number. Which is the smallest whole number? 0 is smallest whole number. Okay. Again, my dear student, this is the example of natural number and this is the example of whole number. In these two examples, what is the main difference? Please look here. This is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 3, this is 3. Okay. But this is 0, there is 0 and 0 is not here. The meaning is, what is the main difference between natural number and whole number? Please keep in mind, every natural number is whole number. Every natural number is whole number, but every whole number may not be natural number. Please keep in mind, every natural number is whole number, but every whole number is not the natural number. Which whole number is not the natural number? That is 0. 0 is whole number, but it is not the natural number. So this is the main difference between natural number and whole number. Just I will repeat it. Every natural number is whole number, but every whole number may not be natural number. For example, 0. 0 is whole number, but 0 is not the natural number. Okay. So this is the some basic point about natural number and whole number. Okay. Now we will discuss about how we will compare of any number. Your next topic is comparing number. The meaning is, suppose you have two number, and how we will compare which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So for comparing number, we will apply two symbol. This is first symbol and this is second symbol. This symbol is called greater than. This symbol is called the greater than, and this symbol is called the smaller than. Okay. And what is the meaning of these two symbols? Now we will discuss about some example. Suppose there are two numbers. First number is 40, second number is 22. Okay. First number is 40 and second number is 22. In these two numbers, which is the biggest number? As you know very well, 40 is biggest number. 40 is biggest number and 22 is smallest number. So what we will do? Which symbol we will apply? This is the greater than. Now look here. This symbol is called greater than and this symbol is called the smaller than. In two number 40 and 22, which is the greater number and which is the smaller number? As you know very well, 40 is bigger number or greater number, 22 is smaller number. So we will apply this symbol. The meaning is, we will apply first symbol. Look here, 40 is greater than 22. 40 is greater than 22. Okay. Now in second example, this is 10 and this is 24. In 10 and 24, you know very well which is the bigger number. 24 is bigger number. Which is a smaller number? 10 is smaller number. So how we will apply the second symbol? How we will apply second symbol? Now look here, 10 is smaller number and 24 is bigger number. So 10 is less than 24. 10 is less than 24, or other words, 10 is smaller than 24. Okay. Now we will discuss about one more example. Suppose you have two number 25 and 15. In 25 and 15. Now look here, which is bigger number? 25 is bigger number. Which is smaller number? 15 is smaller number. So you will compare first number to second number. You will compare first number to second number. If first number is bigger, so we will apply the greater than sign. If first number is bigger or greater, then we will apply bigger than sign. 25 is bigger than or greater than, both are same. 25 is bigger than 15. Okay. Now in other example, suppose this is 17 and this is 19. This is 17 and this is 19. You will compare first number to second number. If first number is bigger, you will apply the greater than sign. If first number is smaller, then you will apply the smaller than sign. In 17 and 19, 17 is smaller than 19. So we will apply 17 is less than 19. 17 is less than 19. Okay. So my dear student, this is the comparing of numbers. Okay. My dear students, now we will discuss about ascending order. This is the part of comparing numbers. What is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means arrangement of numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay. Arrangement of numbers from smallest to biggest. Just I want to give one example to you. Suppose there are four numbers 25, 36, 12 and 42. Now these four numbers are not in proper order. Now we will arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means arrangement of numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay. Now look here, in these four numbers, which is the smallest number? You know very well, in these four number, which is the smallest number? That is 12. 12 is smallest number. Okay. So first we write 12. Okay. Then after, which number is bigger to 12? Or other words, which number comes after 12? Which number in these four number, which number comes after just 12? So this is 25. This is 25. After 12 we can write here 25. Okay. Then after, which number in these four number, which numbers will come after 25? That is 36. And which number will come after 36? That is 42. So in question these four numbers are not in arrange, but this is the answer. These four numbers are arranged in proper order. That order is called ascending order. As you are looking, ascending order means arrangement of numbers from smallest to biggest. As you know very well, 12 is smallest natural number and 42 is biggest natural number. Okay. 12 is smallest natural number and 42 is biggest natural number. Which number will come after 12? That is 25. The meaning is 12 is less than 25. 25 is less than 36. 36 is less than 42. Okay. Just I want to give one example to you. Suppose you have four number. This is example number 2. Suppose you have four number. Suppose this is 19, then after 9, then after 2, and then after 17. Okay. Now look here. There are four number 19, 9, 2 and 17. These four numbers are not arranged in proper order. So these four numbers we will arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. In these four number, which is the smallest number? As you know very well, 2. 2 is smallest natural number. Which number will come after 2? That is 9. Okay. Which number will come after 9? That is 17. And which number will come after 17? That is 19. Okay. So 2 is less than 9. Please look here. 2 is less than 9. 9 is less than 17. 17 is less than 19. Okay. So this order is called ascending order. These two examples belongs to ascending order. Okay. Again, my dear students, now today we will discuss about descending order. Again, we will discuss about descending order. What is the meaning of descending order? Descending order is the opposite of ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Okay, and descending order means just opposite of ascending order, that is biggest to smallest. What is the definition of descending order? Descending order means arrangement of numbers from biggest to smallest. Just I want to give one example to you. Suppose there are four numbers: 52, 44, 76 and 32. Okay. Now these four numbers are not arranged in descending order. So we will arrange these four numbers in descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. In these four number, which is the biggest natural number? That is 76. 76 is greater than 52. 52 is greater than 44. 44 is greater than 32. Okay. So this is the arrangement of numbers according to descending order. Okay. Just I want to give one example to you. Suppose you have four number. Suppose this is 79, 23, 19 and 100. Okay. And you will take suppose one more number that is 69. There are five numbers: 79, 23, 19, 100 and 69. These five numbers are not arranged in descending order. So these five numbers we will arrange in descending order. The meaning is from biggest to smallest. Okay. So what is the biggest natural number in these five number? Now look here. In these five number, 100 is biggest natural number. So first we will write 100. 100 is biggest natural number. Then after, which number is nearest? Which number is nearest 100 to? Which number is nearest 100? That is 79. So 100 is bigger than 79. Okay. Now which number nearest to 79? That is 69. Which number is nearest to 69, that is 23, and which number is nearest to 23, that is 19. So my dear student, 100 is greater than 79, 79 is greater than 69, 69 is greater than 23, and 23 is greater than 19. This is the example of descending order. As you are looking, descending order means biggest to smallest. So in descending order, what you are looking in first? In first you will write the biggest natural number, and in last you can write here smallest natural number. Okay. So my dear students, all these examples belongs to your basic point. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.